So here's a vacuum. As you can see, it's supposed to have long battery life, and then it's got anything but long battery. Lubluelu. So it's connected into power, it's charging. Now the time is 4:45 and it's got 34% charge. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, just a charging update on the vacuum. It's now nearly 7, 2 hours and 15 minutes after, and the battery has charged only up to 41% from 34, I think it was on the last one. Terribly slow charging. Alright, so turning the vacuum on, it's 100% charged. I'm gonna start a stopwatch.
Stop cleaning.
Let's see how long the battery lasts. So 26 minutes and it's run out of charge. Now it's got 14% battery and it takes ages to charge. Yeah, it's been quite disappointing.